Wanna know how to fix lags in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. Now you can fix a lags through various means. And one thing you can do is to simply lower up your graphics. Suppose that on the bottom right, you can see this arrow icon right here, and then simply hit towards settings on top right here. Now hit towards graphics right here on the right side. And once at the right here, you can see graphics preferences. Now just simply select balanced or better frame rate. I would recommend to take better frame rate as we want more performance and less lags. Or you can also go to customize and then just customize it accordingly with your graphics and frame rate by going to low, high and so on. And once that is done, next thing also comes into your network life. If you have any network life, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi, or if your Wi-Fi is just fluctuating, just simply restart it on your device or just simply restart the router itself. Now next thing you can also do is just simply clear out your cache, enable game booster, or just clear out your memory by clearing it out through the built-in app feature as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.